How I stopped living paycheck to paycheck at the age of 70. It wasn't about getting rich. It was about finally feeling safe again. Here's what I changed to stop barely getting by. Hi, I'm Holly. At 70, I wasn't just tired. I was trapped. The money came in and the money went out. And I knew if something went wrong, there was no safety net. I mean, zero. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just stressful, it's scary. And I knew I had to do something different. I started a business from home, 2 hours a day, no tech skills, just real mentorship, 100% profit system, and a step-by-step support. Today, I have peace. I don't panic when bills arrive. I help others do the same. I have security, which is purpose. Plus, I have awesome tools to help expedite my business that offers income streams as well. I'm also certified to help others grow their business with a step-by-step program guide to help you daily. You don't have to stay stuck. I'll show you exactly what I did. Comment me or visit my site. You deserve to feel safe too. Once again, comment me or just visit Holly Pring Daily Pay, and let's rebuild your peace together.